Introducing Alma Domus, a new way to think about home automation. Today, home automation offers comfort and savings. Alma Domus offers much more than this in a stylish device in place of your wall switches.
Hi, I'm Alessandro.
And I am Marco.
We're the founders of Almaware, an Italian IT company.
We are excited to show you our idea that will enhance the world of home automation.
Alma Domus is easy to install and allows you to manage the electrical equipment in your home through its touchscreen. Alma Domus is the first ultra-low-power microcomputer that fits in your house wall. Don't waste your money designing a complex domotic system. With Alma Domus, your network grows one device at a time. All devices will connect to each other automatically through a secure Wi-Fi channel. With a single touch, you can control any Alma Domus in your home. You can turn lights in your house on and off. Or raise and lower the shutters. Any Alma Domus can also be used as a thermostat. It can control air conditioning, the boiler, or any furnace. Alma Domus listens to you. You can control it using your smartphone. And also using your voice without moving from your sofa. Alma Domus can connect to your Wi-Fi router. You can use it even when you're away from home.
Imagine the opportunity to receive a Skype call in every room, or check if your kids are asleep while you are cooking. Thanks to the included microphone and speaker, all of this is already possible.
What we have developed so far is only a small part. The Alma Domus platform is based on open API that allow developers to integrate new features.
Our goal is to make your home smart, safe, simple and affordable for everyone.
It said, in the future I see one computer on every desk and one in every home.
Our dream is to see an Alma Domus in every room